Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another knife from Drachenader. This is a pocket knife and we're going to take a look at it in just a minute. If this video gets 50 likes, I'm going to give this to one of you guys. Assuming that you are in the United States, so you have to have a US postal address and you're 18 years old, you could win this knife. I'm not doing overseas shipping. You know, it's just too many international laws and stuff I don't want to mess with. So anyways, leave a comment in this video. That'll be your entry for winning this. Once it gets to 50 likes, I'll draw a random comment and whoever left that comment will win the knife. Again, US only. Alright, sorry for the international folks. It's just how I gotta do things. Let's take a look at the knife. So per usual, this is available on Amazon. It is made in China, but I will leave a link in the description below if you decide you want to buy it. It is an affiliate link. It gives me a very tiny kickback if you buy it with that link, and it's very appreciated. So if you decide you want to buy it, please use the link. It does help me, helps the channel, and yeah. Anyway, so I've reviewed a couple of Drachenader products. I actually really like the brand. The other two that I have reviewed have been, really high quality. This one is, I think, 33 or 34 bucks on Amazon right now. Amazon says that's the lowest price it's been in the past 30 days, so good time to buy if you decide you want it. I think right now that's with a 15% off discount, so no special code or anything. It's just they just have a deal going on right now. So anyways, this is the model number. I think they call this the Y-M, Y-M, but at any rate, let's get it open. There you go. You get a knife pouch here, and it is hard, so it's nylon. Got a nice snap on it, and it even has a little loop here if you want to put like a ferro rod or something in there. I don't think it comes with, it doesn't come with one, but if you have your own, you can stick that in there, or a little sharpening rod or whatever you want to put in there. You can also attach this to your belt with a little belt loop there. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty normal size for a belt loop. And then you've also got these elastic straps if you want to attach it to your backpack straps or something like that. So anyways, a couple different ways to mount that if you want to use the pouch. The knife is here, and so it's all black with stainless steel hardware on there. It is a deep carry pocket clip, and it doesn't stick up too much, just enough to get that into your pocket. And it does have good retention. Yeah, that's nice and stout. The handle scales, they look like G10, although the company says they're fiberglass. I mean, I don't know, maybe that's just something that got lost in translation. It looks and feels like G10 to me. There's very mild texture on there, so nothing that's gonna irritate your hand as you hold it, but I think that's enough to give you something to grip onto when it's wet. One of the neat features of this is it's got several different ways to open it up. So you can see we've got a button lock, we've got a flipper, and we've got the thumb studs. So and you got thumb studs on both sides. Now, it isn't really an ambidextrous knife because, you can't flop that pocket clip around. It is right hand tip up only. So, I mean, that's how most people carry a knife anyways. And, obviously the button is only on the one side. So, at any rate, let's move this out of the way. And we'll try out some of the different ways of opening the knife. Okay, so first let's just try the flipper. Oh man, yeah, and you can hear that click as it opens up, and man, yeah, there is zero play in that blade, up, down, side to side. I mean, it is solid. That's awesome. Yeah, nice big finger choil there, and no jimping or anything. It's a smooth spine there. It is a drop point blade and just a regular saber grind. It's almost full flat grind, but it's not. It stops right there. But yeah, pretty good looking blade. It is coated in something, I'm not sure exactly what, probably just paint, but who knows. And blade feels sharp. We'll test that here in a minute. But it is not a liner lock, it's button lock, so push the button and it falls shut. And it is on bearings, I can tell that for sure. So yeah, man, I love that snap. And man, that closes so smooth. Move my camera a little bit, but yeah, man, that action on there is sweet. There's the thumb studs. That also works super sweet, very easy. The detent is not too hard on this, so yeah, I mean, it is really easy to open and close. So that's awesome. Yeah, I love that. And then we can just, oh, you don't need that much force. You can just hold the button in and flip it out, and there you go. So, multiple ways to open the knife. Yeah, man, that's awesome. Centering on it is really good. I mean, that's basically perfect centering there. Yeah, I love it. I love this knife. Oh man, it's awesome. Yeah. It's just, it feels so solid and good quality. I'll leave the specs up here in terms of blade length and overall length. Overall length is a little over 7 inches, so it is a little on the smaller side, but really nice everyday carry size. And I do like the all black. Yeah, super cool. Very lightweight. Again, I'll leave that up there for those of you that want easy to read specs. But man, that action on there is just sweet. Very sweet. Jeez, I love that snap. That snap is amazing. Love it. All right, let's cut some stuff. All right, we're gonna start with the Bud K magazine paper. Woo! Man, the thing is sharp. Jeez Louise. That just glides right through there. Good night. Wow. Super duper sharp. Yeah, man, this is one of the sharper knives I've tested, I think. Good grief. That's awesome. So, give it an A on that, on the paper cut test. Okay, I brought out a little toilet paper tube here, and I just wanted to see how easy this cut. Oh my gosh. that was crazy easy. Good night. Yeah. Cool, man. Love it. Got a little stick here. Ah, this stick sucks. Let's get a different one. Alright, we're gonna just sharpen a stick here real quick. Oh man. This thing is awesome. Jeez. Well, guys, I really like this knife. I'm actually kind of hoping that we don't get to 50 likes on on this video. I would not mind putting this in my normal rotation for everyday carry. Man, this thing is just so cool. I love that snap on that, and I mean, just the ridiculously solid lockup on there. Detent is perfect. I mean, good grief, this thing's awesome. Well, there it is, guys. Love it. Again, you know, this is a fairly new brand to me. I've only done this one plus 2 other of their products, but all of them have been very impressive. So far, I really like this brand. I didn't mention blade steel is 14C28N. So stainless steel, and you know, pretty good quality for 33 bucks. So I would buy this thing all day for 33 bucks. But anyways, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I've got some more products here to test out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.